Hello, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day. If not, then let's relax by watching my video. So today I came across the flat face drawn by AI and I think it's pretty cool. So let's try to recreate it by using PowerPoint, shall we? So after today's video, you can create your icon and you can wow your spouse, significant others, bosses or customers or whoever you want to wow. Yeah? Okay, let's go. First, as usual, let's set the mood by changing the background to gray. Okay, cool. Now, I'm I'm a firm believer in equality, so I'm gonna create both a gentleman and a lady today. But I think I'm gonna create a gentleman first because I think it's easier. Oh, maybe that's why God created man first. Ah, funny. Okay, let's choose his facial structure. How about this one? Let's see how and shift and drag. Okay, he's gonna have a perfect jawline. Or later he might have to go through some plastic surgery. Okay, and now let's go for his hair. Control drag and let's pick up. Okay, let's see. He's gonna have a yellow hair. Why? Because he feels like it. Maybe a little bit darker. No. Yeah, this one perfect. And his okay. Pretty cool. He likes his hair, so his hair gonna be very shiny. Something like this. Pretty cool. Now he has a thick eyebrow. Yeah, maybe that thick. Is it too thick? What do you think? Is it thick enough? Oh, that's pretty thick. He's one of the kind. Maybe not that thick. Okay, maybe that's enough. And hold control and drag so you can have another eyebrow. Yeah? And then his eyes. Hold shift and drag so again you can have the perfect circle. I drag it here. Let's make like he's looking at somewhere. Cool. Maybe we hold shift to select them all. Use your hand to press them down and let's give him a smirk on his face. No. This. Okay. He just had a lipstick because he likes it. Pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, now last one is ear. Do you want him to have a big ears or small ears? I think, let's see, too big. Yeah. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, put it back. Hold shift, make another duplicate, turn it around, put it back in. Really cool. He looks like a teenager. Okay, now the lady. She loves her body and she takes care of herself really well. So I think she gonna have a oval face, something like this. Okay, let's use her hair. Maybe she in her mid-30s or 40. She is a successful CEO. So let's give her this look. Select them all by shift and then union and then black. She's an Asian successful lady. Okay, and she's gonna wear glasses, and because she's a successful CEO, this is the type of glasses she's gonna wear. With thick. Okay, I think that's good. Not too thick. And perfect. Okay, we're gonna borrow his eyebrows and put it here. And because she's a lady, I think her eyebrow should be thinner than his eyebrow. Okay, perfect. And now she's gonna be very happy. That makes her happy. She is happy because her employees are happy. Yes. And see, she has some lipsticks as well, like this one. Now we borrow his ear. Put it at the back. Maybe we should change the color a bit. Yes. And then this ear, I need to borrow it as well. Turn to back. Yes. Perfect. So you can make your icon as well right now. Okay, I having fun today and I see you next time. Bye bye.